Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 6 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge. And today we will be focusing on restorative yoga. So we will do a short but very relaxing yoga session today. So what you'll need are 2 yoga blocks. And if you don't have yoga blocks, I love to suggest disinfectant wipe containers. And also for this practice, 2 stacks of books, hardcover books, would be just fine. And you'll also need your bolster, and if you don't have a bolster, you can use 2 to 3 pillows, and I like to use about 2 pillows. And if you also have a couch cushion, that works perfectly as a bolster. So grab everything that you need for this practice and we will get started. So today we are going to start in a restorative child's pose. And you can choose to use the blocks or not. I like to have the blocks underneath my pillow or my bolster just to lift it up a little bit. Because my blocks are a little bit flimsy, I keep them down on the lower height. I'm just going to use a third one just for a little bit more cushion, make it a little more comfy. So you're going to start by bringing your knees kind of close to your bolsters or your pillows. And have them wide to the sides of them. Send your hips back towards your heels. And then go ahead and you can lay forward on your pillow or your bolster or whatever you're using. You can choose to have the forehead down or maybe rest your head on your hands. Take a few deep breaths here. Notice how you feel. We are in a gentle hip opener. So just notice how the hips feel. Notice if you start to feel a release in the lower back. And breathe. Take full mindful breaths here. Take about 3 more full breaths here. And then you can start to slowly press yourself up off of your bolster, your pillows, whichever you were using. And we'll meet in a seated position. And you can remove your blocks and put them off to the side and keep your pillows or your bolster where they are. We'll use them in just a few moments. So sitting tall. We'll come into some side bends. Bring your hands to your sides. Inhale as you reach the arms out and up. Exhale, bring the hands together and bring them down in front of your heart. Inhale, arms come out and up. And then exhale, bringing that left hand down and reaching the right arm over to the left. Keep your hips rooted down in the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right arm down, left arm reaches over. Inhale, arms up. Bring your arms out to your side. Exhale as we twist to the left. Arms are open. And then inhale, arms up. Arms out to your side. Exhale as you twist to your right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring them down. Bring your hands to your knees, and we're just going to do a seated cat and cow here. So on the inhale, bring your chest forward, lift your gaze, arch your back. And on the exhale, go ahead and curl the back towards the back of the room. Bring your chin to your chest, shoulders forward. Again, inhale. And exhale. And then coming back to center, we're going to come onto our back, onto the mat. You can have the upper body on the mat, have the knees bent and the feet on the mat to start. We're going to come into a twist. So bring your knees into your chest. And then we're going to start by letting the knees fall over to the left. And then bring your gaze over to the right with your right arm or your arms extended out to the sides. Take a few breaths here. And then when you're ready, bring your knees back up to center. And this time we're letting the knees fold over to the right as your gaze goes to the left. Arms are out to your side. Breathe here. go ahead and place the feet back on the mat. You can lift up for a second. We're going to place our pillows or our bolster right underneath our knees. And we'll end here in this pose. So once you have your bolster or your pillows under your knees comfortably, let your arms fall down by your side. And we're going to end here with 5 breaths. And honestly, you can stay in this position for however long you like after we are done. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today for our restorative practice, and I hope that you were able to find a moment of calm and peace during this practice. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 7 of our 30-day yoga challenge.